Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. A customer's backup process exceeds their given backup windows. You propose to modify the backup process, but the customer is concerned about changing it from a full to an incremental architecture because of operational overhead during restore operations. What should you propose instead? Option A. Implement snapshots. Option B. Implement a differential backup scheme. Option C. Enable archiving. Option D. Lower the daily change rate of the data. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Implement snapshots. Question 2. A customer has HPE3 all-flash storage for their virtualized applications running on VMware and needs a cost-effective flat backup solution for this environment. The solution must provide fast recovery and be simple to manage with minimal performance impact on the application. What should you recommend? Option A. HPE Store Ever with HPE Data Protector. Option B. HPE Store Ever with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Option C. HPE Store One Systems with HPE Data Protector. Option D. HPE Store One Systems with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. HPE Store Ever with HPE Recovery Manager Central. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.